Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet the rose keychain. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial and all the materials are listed in the description box. So let's start the tutorial. I'm going to start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, I'll wrap the yarn around 2 fingers. We'll place the short end on between the 2 fingers and pull that yarn through the loop like this, and then we'll pull the short end and make the loop smaller. Then insert your hook into the loop, and now I'm going to make 34 chains. Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. After making 34 chains, now into the 6th chain from the hook I'm going to make 1 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So into this chain I'm going to make 1 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into that chain stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now make 2 chains. Then we're going to skip 2 chains. 1 2. Into the 3rd one I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Then make 2 chains. Then we're going to skip 2 chains. 1 2. Into the 3rd one we'll make 1 double crochet. And just like this we're going to repeat it till the end. So I'm done with the first round. Now I'm going to make 2 chains and we're going to count this as 1 double crochet. Now turn the work, and into the first gap I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Then I'm going to make 2 chains and then 2 double crochets into this same space. Now into the next space I'm going to make 2 double crochets. Then make 2 chains and then 2 more double crochets into the same space. Then come to the next space, place 2 double crochets, 2 chain, 2 more double crochets into that same space. And just like this we're going to complete till the end. So after completing the round I'm going to make 2 chains and we'll count this as 1 double crochet. Now turn the work, and into this little gap right here, which is the chain 2 gap, I'm going to make 6 double crochets. Now into this little gap right here, after the 2 double crochets I'm going to make slip stitch. Then into the next chain 2 gap make 7 double crochets. Then into the next gap after the 2 double crochets make slip stitch. Into the next chain 2 gap make 7 double crochets. After making 7 double crochets make slip stitch into the next gap. And just like this we are going to continue the round. So I am done with this round. Now I'm going to make 1 chain and we're going to cut long tail. And then now we're going to curve it, roll it like this to give it a rose shape. Like this. Then I'm going to use yarning needle. Now I'm going to insert the yarning needle from here, and we're going to come out from the opposite side like this. And we're going to do it for 2 to 3 times. I'm going to tie a knot. So we're done with the rose. Now I'm going to make the petals. For the petal, we're going to start with a magic ring. To make a magic ring, we'll wrap the yarn around 2 fingers like this. Then we're going to take this out. Insert your hook into the ring, and we're going to pull this yarn like this. And then we'll make one chain. So this is the ring. Now into this ring, we're going to make 10 single crochets. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. Like this, we're going to make total 10 single crochets. After making 10 single crochets, we'll pull the short end and close the ring. Then into the first stitch, I'm going to make slip stitch. Like this. Now I'm going to make 5 chains. Then we're going to skip the first chain. Into the second chain from the hook, I'm going to make 1 slip stitch. So I'll insert hook into the second chain and make a slip stitch like this. Then into the next stitch, we'll make 1 single crochet. In next 2 stitches, we're going to place 1 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. And make 1 more half double crochet into the next stitch. Then we are going to skip the next stitch, and into the next one we are going to make a slip stitch. So we'll skip this stitch, into the next one we'll make a slip stitch. Like this. Now again make 5 chains. Make slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Then make 1 single crochet into the next one. 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches. Then we're going to skip the next stitch, and into the next one we're going to make a slip stitch. And in the same way we're going to make total 5 petals. Once you're done with 5 petals, then we're going to make 1 chain and we'll cut a little long tail. Now we're going to join the petal to the rose. So what you can do is you can directly stick it using glue, but I'm going to join it using a yarning needle. So this is the back side, and we're going to place it like this. on the rose. So from here, and then I'll come out from the other side. Now we are going to crochet leaf, so I'm going to start with a slip knot. After making slip knot, I'm going to make 9 chains. After making 9 chains, into the second chain from the hook, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. So this is the second chain. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, I'm going to make 1 half double crochet. Into next 4 stitches, I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Then into the last stitch, I'm going to make 3 single crochets. Now we're going to work on the opposite side. Now we're going to work on the base of this stitch. So this is the 3 single crochet and this one is the next stitch. So I'm going to insert my hook into the base of the stitch and we're going to make 1 half double crochet. So we'll yarn over, insert the hook into the base of that stitch, and we'll also take the loose end on our hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the stitch. And now we're going to make 4 double crochets. And here we're going to cut the extra yarn. Then into the last stitch I'm going to make 1 single crochet, and then into the first stitch we'll make slip stitch. So this is our leaf. Now I'm going to make 1 chain and we'll cut the yarn, and then hiding the loose end. And we're done with the tutorial. Let me know in the comment section how it went for you, and thank you so much for watching the video.